Sunset Strip, globally recognized for the vibrant combination of entertainment, nightlife, and billboards, is one of the world's premier sites for outdoor advertising. The Strip is the most exciting venue for billboards and tall walls on the West Coast. In the 1960s and 70s, recording artists launched their albums with custom-painted billboards on the Sunset Strip. With the 21st century, the technology of large-scale advertising continues to evolve, from painted murals to vinyl printouts that can wrap a building wall to digital displays. As you can see the landscape itself, a dense, linear forest of sizzling images advertising the hottest stars and the latest albums and movies. Those billboards that blight much of the American landscape are, along the Sunset Strip in West Hollywood for decades. Billboards along this stretch of Sunset have been status symbols coveted by artists and studios. The city of West Hollywood is the custodian of the billboard legacy on the Strip, tasked with ensuring that the vibrancy stays contemporary, while honoring the traditions and character of West Hollywood's portion of iconic Sunset Boulevard. The city is now completing a comprehensive process to address the future of billboards on the Sunset Strip. Do not miss out on the street view when you are visiting Los Angeles. The city's nightlights may look more dazzling, so grabbing dinner here could be a good way to start your tour.